Hello students, welcome to English grammar class. Students, in the earlier lesson, we studied about pronouns. Pronouns are words used instead of repeating nouns in a sentence. And today we will learn about adjectives, the describing words. The words that are used to describe nouns or pronouns are called adjectives. Look at these pictures. First picture is of a rat. Rat is a tiny animal. Saloni is a fat girl. And the third picture, giraffe has a long neck. We see that the words tiny, fat and long tell something about the nouns. These words add to the meanings of the nouns. These words are adjectives. So what are adjectives? They describe the noun. Tiny, fat and long are some of the examples. Let us read ahead. A few common adjectives are hot, sour, ugly, smart, old, bad, beautiful, strong, small, rich, new, tall, intelligent, big, sweet, weak, poor and cold. Now look at the following example, students. First sentence, the girl is foolish. How is the girl? The foolish girl. How is she? She is foolish. So here the noun girl has been described by foolish. Now foolish is the adjective here. Second, the girls are naughty. The naughty girls. How are the girls? They are naughty. So naughty is again the describing word to the noun girls. So naughty is the adjective here. The mangoes are tasty. The tasty mangoes. Here the taste of the mangoes is described by the word tasty. So tasty here is the adjective. The grapes are sour. How are the grapes? They are sour. So sour is again the adjective. In above sentences, foolish, naughty, tasty and sour are adjectives. Students, let's revise. Question A. Pick out adjectives from the following sentences and write in the space provided against them. Also write nouns they describe. One has been done for you. So what we will do here in this question, students, we will write down the adjective in this column and the noun in the next column. So the coolie picks up a heavy box. How is the box? It is heavy. So heavy is the adjective and the noun box. Second sentence. Mr. Sharma is a rude man. Here the noun man has been described by the nature of this man, which is rude. So rude here is the describing word and it's an adjective. Sentence number 3. This is a strong coffee. How is the coffee, students? It is strong. So the adjective is strong and the noun is coffee. This is a big balloon. How is the balloon, students? It's big. Here big is the adjective and balloon is the noun. We like hot pizza. How do we like the pizza? We like it hot. Hot is the adjective and pizza is the noun. This is a black cat. What is the color of the cat? Yes, the describing word is black. That's the adjective and the noun is cat. The wall is red. How is the wall? It is red. Red is the adjective. Wall is the noun. Rahul is a fat boy. How is Rahul? He is a fat boy. Fat here is the adjective and boy is the noun. Question number B. Read each sentence and write the correct adjective. So students, the help box has been provided here and we are going to pick the correct adjective and complete the sentence. Students, I have already completed the notes here because I send it to you in PDF for completion, and during the live Zoom lecture I will be solving it on separate worksheet for you. This is just for your reference and understanding. Sentence number 1. I laughed a lot yesterday. The funny clown did many clever tricks. Second, I got many gifts for my birthday from my granny. She is very kind. So, what are the describing words being used here, students? The clown was funny, yet he was clever, and granny is very kind. My shoes were torn, so I bought a dash pair of shoes. Which adjective have we used here, students? New. The rabbit fell into the water. All the animals laughed at the dash rabbit, foolish rabbit. It describes the foolishness of the rabbit. I cannot lift this box. It is a dash box. It is a heavy box. Everybody buys food from that hotel. It is a good hotel. So, the adjective to describe the hotel is good. The people praise the king. The brave king won the battle. How was the king? He was brave. So, brave here is the adjective. The sun is not out today. It is hiding behind the dash clouds. It is hiding behind the dark clouds. So, students, we have picked the correct adjectives given in the help box and completed these sentences. On page number 34, we will look at question number C. Read and match. So, there are pictures of some animals and there are incomplete sentences. We have to complete them by choosing and matching the correct sentences that are given here. And all these sentences begin with an adjective. What is an adjective, student? It is a describing word for nouns and pronouns. So, the first picture is of a lion. A lion has a thick mane. So, you will put number 1 here near thick mane to match it. Second, pictures of elephant. An elephant has big ears. So, you write number 2 next to big ears. Third, picture is of a rhino. A rhino has a long nose. So, you put number 3 in front of long nose. Fourth picture is of a bird. A bird has soft feathers. How are the feathers of the bird? They are soft. So, you write number 4 here. A bird has soft feathers. Number 5, a rabbit has a short tail. Look at the picture of this rabbit, students. How will we describe the tail? It as short tail. And number 6, a tortoise has a hard shell. How is the shell of the tortoise, students? It is very hard. Now we come to the last question, number D. Write the opposite adjective to complete the sentence. Sentence number 1. What are we going to do here, students? You can see the first part of the sentence is complete. There is an adjective in this sentence and we have to complete the second sentence here, the second line in fact, with the opposite adjective that is given above. So, you see, it is a hot day today. So, what is the adjective here? Hot. So, when we complete here, we will write opposite of hot, cold. Yesterday was a cold day. Second, this is a long rope. How is the rope, students? It is long. So, long is the adjective used here. When we have to write the opposite of long, we will write short. I have another short rope. Sentence number 3. I have a short sister and a dash father. What is the opposite of short, students? Tall, and a tall father. My friend is a polite boy. Your friend is a impolite girl. What have we done, students? We have written the opposite adjective to complete the following sentence. And the last sentence of this lesson is, this is an old man. We will write opposite of old, young. This is a young man. So, students, This is how we have completed our lesson number 9, adjective, the describing words. What are adjectives? They are used to describe nouns or pronouns, and they tell us something more about them. They give meaning to the nouns. Some of the commonly used adjectives are hot, cold, sour, tall, short, rich, poor, etc. Students, we will be joining the Zoom live lecture where I will be explaining to you all the exercises in the worksheets. Please complete your notes which I have shared on the TPS e-learning portal in PDF format. You have to click the link and just copy down and complete your notes in neat and tidy handwriting. The same will be provided to you on your WhatsApp class group. I will meet you in the next class. Until then, take care, be safe.